Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the probability of complementary events. If we toss a coin into the air, it will fall as either a head or a tail. The probability of a head is a half, the probability of a tail is a half. If we add these together, the probability of a head and a tail is a half plus a half, which equals 1. If we look at the probability of throwing a die, it's 1. If we look at the probability of throwing a die, the probability of getting a 1 is 1 over 6, probability of getting a 2 is 1 over 6, and so on. If we add all these probabilities together, we get 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6, and so on, which all add up to 1. The sum of the probabilities of the possible outcomes is going to be 1 or 100%. Represented as a mathematical formula, the probability of an event plus the probability of the event not happening is equal to 1. The little stroke over that E means not equal to. So the probability of an event plus the probability of it not happening is equal to 1. Let's look at a worked example. The probability of it raining today is 40%. So the probability of it not raining is 60%. Representing that mathematically, that's the probability of the event plus the probability of it not happening, 40 plus 60, which equals 100%. Probability of throwing a 2 is 1 over 6. The probability of not throwing a 2 is 5 over 6. And representing that mathematically, the probability of the event plus the probability of it not happening is equal to 1. So 1 over 6 plus 5 over 6 is equal to 1. The probability of you getting married before you're 30 is 70%. So the probability of you not getting married is 30%. Now let's represent this mathematically again. Probability of the event plus the probability of it not happening is equal to 100%. So 70 plus 30 is 100%. Let's look at the formula again. The probability of the event plus the probability of the event not happening is equal to 1. We can rearrange this now. So the probability of the event is equal to 1 minus the probability of the event not happening. Now, in a worked example, let's have a look. What is the probability the egg will not be blue? There's the blue egg. In the Venn diagram here, we have 4 blue eggs in a total of 26. So using the formula, the probability of it not being blue is equal to 1 minus the probability of it being blue, which is 1 minus 4 over 26. Simplifying that, the probability of it not being blue is equal to 22 over 26, or 11 over 13.